The BMWR1300GS is an adventure touring motorcycle that was announced for the 2024 model year. It is the successor to the popular R1250GS and features a number of upgrades, including a more powerful engine, a new frame, and a revised suspension. Here are some of the key specifications of the BMW R1300GS. Engine: air liquid-cooled 4-stroke flat twin engine with double overhead camshafts, BMW shift cam, and balance gear wheels. BMW R1300GS engine. Displacement is 1,300 cubic centimeters with power 145 horsepower at 7,750 rpm and torque 149 Newton meters at 6,500 rpm. Transmission is 6-speed gearbox with wet anti-hopping clutch and garden drive shaft. Suspension: front, telelever fork with 200 mm of travel, rear, BMW paralever strut with 200 mm of travel. Brakes: front and rear dual 320 mm discs with 4 piston calipers, and rear, single 285 mm disc with 2 piston caliper. Wheels: front, 120 by 70 R19, rear, 170 by 60 R17. Seat height: 850 mm. Fuel tank capacity: 18.9 liters. Curb weight: 237 kilograms. The BMW R1300GS is a powerful and versatile motorcycle that is well suited for adventure touring. It is comfortable for long rides, capable of handling a variety of terrain, and packed with features that make it a great choice for riders who want to explore the world on 2 wheels. Subscribe to the channel for such more motorcycle and travel contents.